In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GK87 Mechanical Keyboard. The GK87 is a full-size mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and computer enthusiasts, featuring a durable metal panel construction and 104 keys. It utilizes ABS plastic for its keycaps and operates through a wired USB interface. The keyboard includes hot swappable switches and offers a variety of switch options, including red, green, blue, and black axes, suited to different user preferences. With support for multiple languages, including Russian and English, the GK87 features unique translucent keycaps that allow for clear visibility of characters even in dark environments. It offers 20 different RGB lighting modes, allowing users to customize their gaming experience with programmable lighting effects that can be defined on a per key basis. Additionally, the keyboard lacks wrist support but is designed for desktop, laptop, and tablet use. It comes certified with RoHS compliance, emphasizing safety and environmental standards. Number 2. Aula F75 Mechanical Keyboard. The Aula F75 is a high-end, Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and multi-device users, featuring an 80-key, 75% layout that enhances portability without sacrificing functionality. It boasts a stylish design available in multiple colors, including Glacia Blue and Cedar Green, and is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery for extended use. This keyboard supports various connection types, including Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and USB Type-C wired, making it compatible with a range of devices, such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones across multiple operating systems. The hot swappable PCB allows users to easily customize their typing experience with 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, while its gasket structure and premium silicone pads minimize noise, providing a more enjoyable typing experience. Additionally, the F75 features vibrant RGB backlighting with multiple modes and programmable macro functionality, letting users tailor their keyboard settings through dedicated software. Number 3. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro mechanical keyboard is a versatile and innovative device designed for both gaming and office use, featuring 87 keys with a compact TKL layout. Constructed from durable ABS and PBT plastic, it showcases a unique split space bar with customizable tap-hold options, along with 3 fully programmable rotary knobs for enhanced functionality. The keyboard integrates a 1.7-inch RGB LCD screen that displays vital information such as battery status and connection mode, while allowing users to upload images or animations. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, supported by a robust 7200 mAh battery for seamless operation across various devices like PCs, laptops, and tablets. With hot swappable mechanical switches, cushion noise reduction design, and compatibility with Windows and Mac OS, the GK87 Pro caters to a broad audience, providing a personalized and comfortable typing experience. Number 4. Aula F87 Pro Keyboard. The Aula F87 Pro mechanical keyboard is a versatile and ergonomic input device designed for a range of applications including desktops, laptops, and tablets. Featuring an 87-key layout, it supports multiple connection methods including wired, 2.4G, and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless compatibility across different devices. The keyboard is constructed with durable PBT plastic keycaps, utilizing dye sublimation printing for long-lasting legends. Its mechanical switches are hot swappable, enabling users to customize their typing experience easily. Enhanced by a gasket structure and full key functionality without impulse, the keyboard promises a satisfying mechanical typing experience. With RGB backlighting and a standard gaming style, the Aula F87 Pro is ideal for both gaming and general use, though it does not come with wrist support. Packed with features and designed for performance, this keyboard meets the needs of various users while offering options for wholesale discounts. Number 5. EPOMAKER EK68 Keyboard. The EPOMAKER EK68 is a versatile and compact 65% mechanical keyboard designed for optimal functionality and aesthetics. Featuring a total of 66 keys plus a dedicated knob, this keyboard utilizes high-quality double-shot PBT keycaps in a striking black and gold theme, ensuring durability and resistance to oil. It boasts triple connectivity options, supporting Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a USB-C wired connection, with a robust 3000 mAh battery for extended use. Their hot-swappable PCB allows for easy customization and compatibility with various 3-pin and 5-pin switch types, including popular brands like Gateron and Cherry. The gasket-mounted structure adds to the keyboard's stability and comfort, while the RGB backlighting enhances the overall aesthetic. Compact yet powerful, the EPOMAKER EK68 is an ideal choice for desktop, laptop, and tablet users looking for a portable, high-performance typing solution.